Hello and welcome back to Patriot Contraptions. Today we're checking out my ultimate backyard snowmobile. Now this is my budget solution to have something that just rips around my backyard for fun. It's not made for long trail rides or competing with a standard snowmobile. However, it is made for reliability. This is how easy it is. So let's get into the heart of this build. The heart of this machine is a 212 Predator engine that is then connected to a torque converter, which is connected to the tracks on the back. Now those tracks are originally for a mini quad. I got them on sale for about 250 bucks, and they're working out phenomenal for the snow and muddy conditions. However, they do tend to have problems in dry weather when you're taking sharp corners. For some reason, without the little skid of a loose surface, those tracks like to derail from time to time. Other than that, the front of this machine is a little wood ski that I've built, still in the prototype stage there, and the frame itself is just an older mini bike frame. Now I do want to give a shout out at this point to my friend over at the Disciples Workshop. He helped me out a lot with this build. He actually had the frame for this and the engine, so thank you to this Josiah over there. Go subscribe to him if you haven't already. Let's get back and I'll show you some footage of this running. So thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next episode. Have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.